You want your thumbnails to pop, okay? Because if your thumbnails don't pop, people ain't gonna click on your video, okay?
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey y'all, it's me. And today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make your thumbnail look popping, eye-catching, and aesthetically pleasing, okay? And this is my second time filming a thumbnail video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to edit your thumbnail and make your thumbnail look pleasing to the human eye. And honestly, obviously there's no thumbnail video on my channel yet, but the first one I filmed like a month ago and I forgot to upload it, and I'm so glad because that shit was rough, okay? That video was too short, and I learned much more editing skills for my thumbnails and my videos ever since then, and this is basically the updated version, guys. Your thumbnails, you want your thumbnails to pop, okay? Because if your thumbnails don't pop, people ain't gonna click on your video, okay? So when you upload your video, film your video, upload it onto YouTube or whatever, it goes on the recommended page for anyone to click on, okay? Your video can be bomb, but if your thumbnail not bomb, people not gonna click on that shit, okay? And that's gonna lead to the downfall of your video, and we don't want that, guys. We want to make thumbnails like pros, okay? So I'm just gonna show you guys all my tips and tricks, and let's just get started. Hey guys, so for my thumbnails, I took this picture right here. This thumbnail, I took it before I took this video, and this picture is for this video's thumbnail specifically. And usually I just go into my video and take a screenshot of a moment that I want to use from my video, only because it has the same dimensions that the thumbnail is supposed to be, which is 16:9. But on occasions, like now, I will take an actual picture on my own for the thumbnail. So what I like to do first is go onto Aviary and blur out my background. I know it may seem a little bit tedious. There are apps that blur your background out for you, but I just honestly don't know how to use them. But we're gonna go choose a picture. Choose this one that I just said that I made. And we can go to adjust. I like to adjust the brightness, make it look crispier, you know what I'm saying? I like to adjust the exposure. Press apply here, blur, and you have options if you want a big brush, a medium brush, or a large brush. I specifically like the large brush if I'm blurring out large sections like this one. I'm just going to blur it out with my own finger. Blur out the background, and if you want to go blur out really small spaces and crevices of things, then you can use the small brush. Make sure everything is completely blurred out. Okay, and I think that is cool. Apply, save, done. Wait for it to load, and it will save into your camera roll automatically. Okay, and what I like to do next is go into the app called Pixar here. It is free. It's a very cool app. I really recommend you trying this app. I really love this one. Plus sign. We're gonna pick the picture that you would like to use. This one that I just blurred out from Aviary. We're going to tap on brushes here. They have a lot of cool effects here. And we're going to tap on the middle one here because I like to outline myself with a glowy outline. So you can choose any color, but I like to choose specifically the color that matches my outfit or matches my kind of aesthetic in any picture that I take. So I'm going to choose this turquoise blue. It matches my shirt. And you can erase or go back if you want to, if you make any mistakes, and you can even adjust the opacity, which means if you want to make your brush look clear, for example, if you want to make it look clear, well, that is specifically for the marker. But if you want to make it look clear, you could adjust it. I personally do not like my brush being clear. You can adjust the size of your brush. I think this size is good. I like mine's particularly small. So we can zoom in, and I'm just going to outline myself. And once again, you can erase if you don't like it. Just going to carefully outline, and I apologize if this is kind of long. This take a little bit long. My bad, guys. Okay, and I'm going to outline the other side. Oh my god, no! I hate these ads. My hair is like sticking out. Hold on. My hair is like always messy, so it's kind of like sticking out. Like I'm trying to outline it, but it's like sticking out. Okay, I think that is okay. I really don't even care about my hair right now, but we're just gonna press apply here. And if you want to, you can add in these really cool features. They have hearts, moons, letters, feathers, glitter, sparkles, rainbows, anything you can name. And I'm going to just add these really nice white flowers. I really like this. This is really cool. I'm also going to add some sparkles. Once again, you can adjust the sparkles as well, the size and the opacity. Apply, next, save, download video, and it'll automatically upload to your camera roll. Then I am going to go into thumbnail maker, camera, and press the picture we just downloaded from PixArt. And it is really nice to keep your fonts consistent for your thumbnail so that you'll have a brand and so that people will be able to find you and know who you are. So as you guys know, I have a specific font, so we're just gonna say how to. This is my specific font right here. As you guys probably know, how to thumbnails. And you can adjust it, you can tilt it, you can make it bigger. You can even put a radius into it, but that takes up a little bit too much space for me, so. And most of these really cool fonts are free, but you have to be a pro or a member to this app in order to actually be able to use most of these apps with the crown under them. I am not a member, so I just use this really cool purple and blue font, and I really do think that it fits my aesthetic. You can even add pictures and stickers, and I recommend adding something red because red catches the human eye. Red really makes people second glance at your thumbnail, which is always a good thing. So I'm gonna add this YouTube icon here. You can add a lot of stickers here, and you can even add pictures, add image. I'm trying to figure out if I have a specific picture. No, I don't. I'm just going to go download a picture of an iPhone. Download a picture of an iPhone XR because it looks just like my phone. So I'm just gonna download this. This is actually really cool because it's a PNG. So I'm just gonna put this down here and put my icon right over here. And I always like to add subliminal messages like easy, and I like to use this font. It's a little really pretty cursive fonts. Make sure you don't use really small fonts, and make sure you don't type whole paragraphs on your thumbnail because people are not going to read that. So make sure you keep your thumbnail short and sweet. Okay, and we're going to say cute. Cute. You know, it's aesthetic. And you can even change the color of these words. Okay, so a trick that I'm going to show you guys today, if you save the thumbnail directly from this app, it is going to have a watermark. So the trick that I like to do is I just like to screenshot mine. Therefore, I won't have a watermark. So let me show you guys right now. So we're going to go into YouTube Studio. Say we're going to change our thumbnail for this one. So the screenshot, right, you could easily fit that into the thumbnail without a watermark or anything. So that is a trick that I like to use if you are not a member of the thumbnail maker app. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go into Pixar again. I know Pixar is just like, what the fuck do y'all want now? But anyway, cancel. Plus sign, and we're just gonna go to the picture that we just downloaded from Thumbnail Maker, and we're gonna go to brushes once again, and we're gonna click on these really cool filters, and I'm just going to figure out some more filters that I want to apply to my picture. They have such cool ones. Maybe some stars. Oh, maybe not. It takes me a while to figure out. Maybe some red hearts, because okay, that's really cute. And we're probably gonna add I really like these white flowers, so I'm probably just gonna add a couple more white flowers. Okay, yeah, that should be cool. Apply, next, save, download photo, and that's really it, guys. That is all for today's video. I hope I enlightened you guys on all of your thumbnail questions, and I hope you guys learned new tips and tricks to make your thumbnails pop. And let me know if you guys want to see more editing videos on my channel. I probably will come out with some more editing videos, so don't worry. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want, click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I post a brand new video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Gucci